All right. Let's take a little trip out. What is this? Bealby Point Road. It's so nice. I'm gonna light up a cigarette if I can find my cigarettes. There they are. Filthy, disgusting, expensive, debilitating habit. Well, maybe I shouldn't say debilitating. Nicotine is a fantastic drug in that it helps one be very alert and focused. It's too bad there's not a better delivery method. Then again, I like my analog cigarettes. I think I've filmed myself driving this road before, but it was in winter when it hadn't been plowed yet, and I probably made it into some psychedelic shit. You'll notice you're not allowed to park on the sides of the road, nor in this area, but here people are. Man, I should have gone to Red Sands today. I bet there's people down there. Super nice day today, kind of the best day of the year so far. If you ever do find yourself driving Bealby Point, take her slow. It's pretty narrow, there's lots of people and their dogs out, people on their bikes. I don't actually see anyone down there on Red Sands, which you won't be able to see on the camera because it's way down the cliff on the left there. This is often where I park because you won't get towed unless they changed it. But then you've got a bit of a hike ahead of you.